definitely didn't just change shirts and we're filming on the exact same day. Psh, no, wouldn't do that to you guys. Today we're opening more Amiibo cards, and I'm sure I'm still sick from the first video. So if you haven't seen the first one, or the one before this one, I got some Amiibo cards for my birthday, and that's what we're opening, and we're doing the exact same thing today. And it's not the same day of filming, I swear. But let's jump straight into it, shall we? If you haven't seen the first video, which I highly recommend doing, we've got some awesome pulls. These are my Amiibo card folder, series 1 to 3, because that's what I have. I have marked off the cards that I do already currently have, making it so much easier to know what I do and do not have. These are the cards. We're starting with series 2, and the ones we are hoping to get in series 2 are Felicity, of course. I don't know how to pronounce it, looking at my little sticky note, and of course Tipper. So let's see who we got. I should have brought scissors. Actually, I have scissors right here. I am prepared. We're going, that's too scary, I can't. I thought I was gonna just snip the top. Turns out that's a lot scarier than possibly bending the cards. So let's see who. Ooh, we have Freya. Very, very, very pretty. I'm not sure if we have her or not. Definitely do not have Pango. Not a villager I particularly am a fan of, but it's still good to have everyone. And then, I already have Jack, but it's still so cool to see him. What a good pull. So, I believe, if my math is correct, we got 2. We didn't have one double up. The second series 2 card. Please be Felicity. I really would really appreciate to get Felicity. It would take so much stress off me if I just had her Amiibo card. Please, is it Felicity? Comment down below if it's Felicity. No. Absolutely not Felicity whatsoever. And then we have Ozzy, I think I have. Ooh, Scrunk. I see. I haven't played the other Animal Crossing. I know, I'm a fake fan. So I actually don't know who this character is, but I do believe I do have them already. So we'll go to series 1, and for series 1 we won Opa, and I'd forgotten the rest. So luckily I have a new sticky note. Definitely not the same sticky note from the first episode. Woo! Definitely not my camera falling because I'm lying. Right, so we are after Portia, Peanut, and Opia. I don't know how to pronounce it. Portia is actually on my island at the moment. She's very cute. That was a very, if you haven't seen the video, go check it out. That was a wild time. Because I was doing my Animal Crossing Amiibo card challenge, and she randomly appeared on my island. And I think I do have T-Bone. I think we also have Patty, very sweet, love Patty. I'm not sure if she's on my already, if I have her. And I think I already have Reed. I'm not sure if I have Patty or not, but we'll see afterwards if I got any double ups, who I do and don't have, because there's so many cards. It's so hard to remember, you know, and sometimes I've seen the cards in EB games when I've traded and I go, I have the, Dina, I don't think we have Dina. We definitely have Tiffany, but I see the cards in the folder and then my brain goes, I have that, and then I go home and I don't have it, and then because I saw it and thought I have it, when I see it again, I'm like, oh no, I got it last time. I didn't. And then, I think we already have Lottie's. I feel like we only got one good pull from that one. And then last and final, please, I really want Lilly. That'd be very, very nice, because I want to change my island to all cats, and Lilly is currently on my island. I don't want to get rid of her without easily being able to get her back. We also want Marina. That would make life so much easier. I'm so sorry I've had to kick her from my island a few times for sacrifices for other videos. And also, of course, my one and only Mary. I have a good feeling she's in this one. I feel like she's in that one, so we'll see. I just got that feeling, you know. I got a feeling. I don't know what that was, like the Shrek, but also like. Anyways, we have Hamlet. I don't believe I have. Ooh, Elvis. That's so bad. We have Elvis. Don't believe I have him. And then last but not least, I believe I have Leafy. No, what was it? Leafy, not sure. And this one, last deck cards, I believe this will have Mary in it because I just have that feeling, you know. Sometimes you just get a vibe and you're like, yep, that's gonna have the one. So let's see if my vibes are vibing, I guess. Please. Please. Don't make me look like a liar. I got a little bit excited. So we have Dora the Explorer, and then we have Mary. No! I think I have this chicken Ava, and then last but not least we have. Ooh, I don't think I have Wendell. I don't think I have Wendell, but I think so cute. This was one of the cards that I bent it. I bent it. Oh gosh, it's fine. It's fine. I just starts crying. So this was one of the cards that I saw in the folder and I thought I had it, and then so that thing. So I thought I had it, I didn't. I'm now going to quickly go through my folders, which is so conveniently done now that I've labeled what I do and do not have. And then we're going to say what ones we actually got and which ones we got double ups of, so stay tuned. Okay, so I just ticked it off. We actually did really lucky with the series 1 pulls because these are the 4 I didn't have. Turns out I didn't have T-Bone and I didn't have Lottie. So that was really cool. The only double ups we got was Tiffany and Reed, which I already knew for certain that I did have. So not bad for the first pull. Let's go to series 2. We got the same luck as series 1. So these are the 4 that we didn't have. Turns out I didn't have this weird little person, Shrinks. But these are the 4 that we didn't have. I thought I had Ozzy as well. Turns out I didn't. And of course, I thought I didn't have, well, I wasn't sure. Turns out I have Freya, and of course I already knew I have Jack. But this is the like saddest thing possible. So this is Felicity, and we got the one right next to her. We were so close to getting her. But now series 3, let's see. Okay, so this was actually our best pull so far that I've done in the series, I believe, except for maybe the start. Okay, so we didn't get any double ups. We got absolutely 0 double ups. We needed every single person in this thing. Although we didn't get any of the Dreamys that I am after, it's so good to like get non-double ups as well. Even though double ups help to probably try to trade for a Dreamy that might be hard to get. It's so nice to like be completing the series. And I thought I had Leafy, but I didn't, so that was really cool. So now, like, look at my series 3. Look at it. Look at how well it's coming along. It's so cool. Wow, I don't have Dawn. I thought I had Dawn. I don't have Dawn. Wow, I don't have Bleffers either. I've seen Bleffers so many times at the EB game thing, and I've always thought, oh, I have Bleff. I don't. Wow. I don't have, surely, no. Oh, I don't have hip. Sorry, now I'm just getting like, now I'm just getting sidetracked. But yeah, so goodness, I really hope, this is also a Dreamy. I don't know where I have to put it. I really want that Isabel. That's probably my favorite Isabel design. But there we have it. Give the subscribe button a golden DIY so you know when I upload. We are aiming for 430 subscribers. So make sure you subscribe so you can be part of that super cool, awesome challenge. Because yeah, possibly get good luck if you subscribe. That's just what I personally heard, from my own personal opinion. Take it what you will, but you should definitely subscribe, hit the notification icon, leave me in a comment down below what was your favorite pull from the ones that we did, and which one did you hate the most? I don't know. Tell me what you loved and which one you hated. Do you also collect the Amiibo cards? I feel like most people that I know don't. And I'm like, oh, we could have traded. But it's fine. It does not matter. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it as well. And I'll see you in the next one. Be safe, everyone. Bye! Ah! It's falling. You guys are falling from me? Gosh.